Hello everyone, welcome back to Geoscience Talks with Nadia. Today we're going to dive into a really exciting topic in the world of geophysics, stochastic inversion. What is stochastic inversion? In short, it is a method to translate seismic data so that we can understand in more detail the properties of the reservoir below the surface. Unlike deterministic inversion, which produces a single solution, stochastic inversion generates multiple realizations that are all consistent with the data. Here's a tutorial for performing stochastic inversion. The first step is to build the stochastic inversion model into a grid layer from the strata model. Then, perform wavelet scaling on the strata model to match the scale of the synthetic trace with the seismic data. After that, set the variogram parameters and define the number of realizations desired in order to obtain a geological model that best represents the subsurface.
Stochastic inversion provides a more realistic and uncertainty-aware view of the subsurface compared to deterministic approaches. By following the workflow, model building, wavelet scaling, variogram setup, and realization generation, geoscientists can produce reservoir models that better capture the natural variability of the subsurface and support more confident exploration and development decisions.
All right, that's it for our chat today. Thanks for hanging out with Angie on Geoscience Talks. Don't forget to follow so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time. Bye.
Scientists can produce